case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an appeal heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit in 1967, Northwest Airlines contended against a judgment mandating them to pay damages under the Death on the High Seas Act. The case, originating from a tragic plane crash in the Pacific Ocean that claimed the life of passenger Randall S. Cox and others, was centered around the doctrine of res ipsa loquitur. Irene Cox, the plaintiff and widow of the deceased, brought the lawsuit against Northwest Airlines. She claimed, and the court agreed, that her husband's death was a direct result of the airline's negligence. No evidence offered by the appellant arguing their due care swayed the court, given the unexplained circumstances of the crash. The court ruled in favor of the plaintiff, finding Northwest Airlines negligent and responsible for Mr. Cox's death. The airline was ordered to pay $329,956.59 to the bereaved widow, a decision which the airline contested and led to this appeal. In the course of the court proceedings, Northwest Airlines appealed not only the establishment of liability, but also the computed damages. The airline believed errors were made in calculating the awarded monetary compensation. While the court upheld the lower court's decision regarding the airline's responsibility for Cox's death, it called for a reassessment of the computed damages based on the identified errors. In an interesting twist, the court granted the motion to strike specific post-trial correspondence from the records. Additionally, it issued an order requiring the appellant appellee to bear 1/3 of the appellant's appeal costs. Despite some modifications in the damage computations, the final judgment affirmed Northwest Airlines' liability and its obligation to pay damages for the tragic loss of Mr. Cox's life.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.